Good morning, happy Monday. Just waiting for Joey to wake up again. I just got ready for the day. Put a little bit more gel in my hair. I'm really liking this wavy hair look, like my natural look. I'm gonna go to Target. I need to buy a few things for the house so that we can finish decorating as well. We have a lot of garland to hang up. So I'm just going on a walk at the nature center, my favorite place to be, really. Been here many a time. I also ran my 5K in here, the one that I trained for that in 2020 that I just did couch to 5K on the app, and then I just ran it myself. Just vlogging over here. Don't mind me, dear.